Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to share Google Drive link in WhatsApp. In the Drive app on your Android or iPhone, tap on the three-dot icon next to the file or folder that you want to share. Select Manage Access from the menu. Tap on Change or Restricted if on iPhone under the General Access section. Tap on Restricted and select anyone with the link. Tap on the link icon at the top to copy the file's link to your clipboard. If you don't see it, tap the three-dot icon next to the file and select Copy Link. Now open the WhatsApp chat and long press the typing area. Select Paste from the menu to share the Google Drive link on WhatsApp. And there it is. Know that sharing files using Google Links doesn't impact your phone storage as you are not sharing the actual file.